Uncomplicated charm, simple garden design ideas for your cozy oasis. Creating a serene outdoor space does not have to be a complex endeavor. In fact, with a few thoughtful garden ideas, you can transform your backyard into a cozy oasis that reflects uncomplicated charm. This article offers inspiring insights into simple garden design while emphasizing the beauty of easy gardening and outdoor living. Embrace the beauty of simplicity. In the realm of landscape design, simplicity is often the key to achieving a tranquil atmosphere. By focusing on a few essential elements, you can create relaxing gardens that invite peace and relaxation. Consider choosing a limited palette of plants that thrive in your climate. This not only reduces maintenance but also enhances the visual harmony of your space. Create serene spaces with thoughtful layouts. A well-planned layout can significantly impact the feel of your garden. Aim for open pathways that allow for easy navigation and encourage exploration. Incorporating seating areas, such as a simple bench or a few comfortable chairs, can turn your garden into a perfect spot for outdoor living. Position these elements in a way that frames your favorite views or provides a sense of privacy, enhancing the overall tranquility of your cozy oasis. select plants that speak to you. When it comes to garden inspiration, choosing the right plants plays a pivotal role. Opt for low-maintenance varieties that offer a burst of color and texture without demanding excessive care. Perennials, native plants, and even some ornamental grasses can add depth to your garden, while ensuring that you spend more time enjoying your space than tending to it. Incorporate natural elements. Incorporating natural materials can enhance the uncomplicated charm of your garden. Consider using stone pathways, wooden trellises, or bamboo fencing to create a seamless connection between your outdoor living area and the surrounding landscape. These elements not only add visual interest, but also promote a sense of harmony with nature. Foster relaxation with water features. A water feature can elevate your garden to a new level of serenity. Whether it's a simple bird bath, a small fountain, or a tranquil pond, the sound of flowing water can create a soothing atmosphere that encourages relaxation. This can be particularly effective in promoting mindfulness and rejuvenation in your cozy oasis. personal touches make it yours. Finally, don't hesitate to infuse your personality into your garden. Whether it's through unique planters, colorful cushions, or whimsical garden art, these finishing touches can make your space truly yours. Remember, the beauty of simple garden design lies in its ability to reflect your individual style while maintaining its uncomplicated charm. In conclusion, transforming your outdoor space into a cozy oasis filled with uncomplicated charm is entirely achievable with simple garden design principles. By focusing on serene spaces, thoughtful layouts, and easy gardening techniques, you can create a relaxing garden that serves as a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Embrace the beauty of simplicity and let your garden be a reflection of who you are.